Hello everybody, Jonathan Rayo here with Simplified Guitar, and in this lesson I want to teach you how to play the song Heart of Worship by Matt Redman. As always, I'm going to play through the song for you first, and at the end I'll break it down and explain it to you in more detail. So make sure to stick around for that. For now, let's go ahead and play through the song.
When the music fades and all is stripped away, and I simply come, longing just to bring something that's of worth that will bless your heart. I'll bring you more than a song, for a song in itself is not what you have required. You search much deeper within, through the way things appear. You're looking into my heart. I'm coming back to the heart of worship. It's all about you. It's all about you, Jesus. I'm sorry, Lord, for the thing I made it. When it's all about you, it's all about you, Jesus. King of endless worth, no one could express how much you deserve. Though I'm weak and poor, all I have is yours, every single breath. I'll bring you more than a song, for a song in itself is not what you have required. You search much deeper within, through the way things appear. You're looking into my heart. I'm coming back to the heart of worship, and it's all about you. It's all about you, Jesus. I'm sorry, Lord, for the thing I made it. When it's all about you, it's all about you, Jesus.
So for this song, we're going to be using 4 chords from the C chord family. We're going to be starting with the C chord, which is going to look like this. And from the C chord, we're going to go to the G chord. And to get there, I'm just going to keep this same shape, but I'm just going to take my second and third finger and move them each up 1 string. And then I'm going to remove my first finger, and I'll put my second finger down on the 3rd fret of the high E string. And that's my G. So this G shape, using my 2nd, 3rd, and 4th finger, is the one I want to use in the C chord family because of how close it is in shape with the C. So it's going to make transitioning a lot easier. And then from there, I want to go to a D minor chord, which is going to look like this. Now for the D minor chord, you want to make sure to start your strumming on the D string. So you want to avoid the low E string and the A string for the D minor chord. And from there, we're going to play an F over C chord, which looks like this. This F over C chord is a great F alternative to use in the C chord family because I don't have to bar anything. So it's going to be played like this, and I want to start my strumming on the A string and avoid that low E string so I can use my thumb just to mute it so it doesn't resonate while I strum. For strumming, I'm going to be using the driving pattern, which is a nice simple 4-beat strum pattern. We're going to have 4 down strums and then we're going to throw in an up strum after beat 4. We also want to make sure to put our emphasis on beat 1 and 3. So that just means every other beat I'm going to be strumming harder. So let me hold the C chord and play that strum pattern while I count the beats out loud so you can hear what I'm doing. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 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 1. All right, I hope you enjoyed this lesson. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and I hope to see you in the next lesson. Take care.